So the U14 Challenge Series, 3 from 3, a dominant display from the young Reggae Boyz. So the challenge series continues with the young U14 team in hot form. Let me make this clear. I do think a lot of persons don't understand youth football. When you watch youth football, you cannot view it in the mindset that they should be doing this or they should be doing that. Especially if you're not a coach. Well, I have my time when me pretend to be a coach, but me normally make it clear say no, say me not a coach though. I'm not a coach. But I think it can go the way there. So me not go pretend and go and I say if you don't go the way there, it is the wrong thing. Now, I was watching the game and I was speaking with some people. Some people that text me. Somebody even called me and discuss like when the game finished. And they must say, so why is it that this team looks so organized? I'm saying one, you have to factor in the competition. That's one. And secondly, this is a product of the academy. Everything below from the U17 squad that we're seeing right now, go straight down to U13. These are all players from the JFF academy. All players from academies within Jamaica. So the bad habits them, where most persons see from youth players, they're not seeing it. I'm not saying that all of the bad habits them are gone, but the whole part big kick, no. We saw one U14 team who actually played the ball around. Yes, we were more physical, we were bigger than them. We look fitter than them as well. Watching the game. So these are some of the contexts when you watch youth football, you have to understand these things. You're not watching the EPL. You're not watching World Cup. So the small minor errors them, or sometimes the ball might go long and it goes into just no man's land. These things happen in youth football. You just have to understand that. Yes, people are going to say you should cut out, but it doesn't matter where you go. In the world of football that happen. That even happened at the EPL at the highest level, see me. Man just grab the ball and boot it down there so. That's just a part of football. Anyways, no. Go back to the game. I thought it was a dominant performance from the young Reggae Boyz. A really good showing. I do think that we were a bit wasteful in front of goal. Something that we can fix up on. And overall, I thought that the performance itself was one in which we can clearly say that you can see that preparation was put in place. You can see a squad that was trained to play a particular way. Playing, you can see what they might try to do when they might play. The build up play, the build from the back, passing the ball around, moving smoothly. Players coming in inside, the double pivot, the two midfielders and beside side and side. It was quite clear. The fullbacks them really bombing up the pitch high. Sometimes a bit more reserved than others, than other time. So it was a good showing, I have to say. 3 games, 3 wins with a plus 10 goal difference. Because we haven't conceded a goal as yet. Scoring 10 goals at 10. Yeah. 3. Yeah, it's 10. We'll score 6. 2. Yeah, man. People, me have to correct this. Me I get that wrong. Let me say me I get that wrong first. My bad, people. So me I go on them page now. Me say hope say me not get it wrong. Because if I get it wrong, that would be bad. So me see my sincere apologies on that. Me know people never say, oh, MG never prepared. But I ever check on a search. So we know, so we give something at 6. Yeah, 6. 2 that are 8. I think the first match done 2-2, man. Yeah, man. I think we play Saint Kitts. No, Saint Kitts we play. Yeah, man. Do love. So 10. So that's 10, of course, of course. So that's 10. Not bad. That's really good. I'm not conceding anything. No, you one and Trinidad get 1 or 2 moments. You can see that Trinidad has something number 10 really bad. The number 10 bad effort. But you can see Trinidad was actually trying a few stuff, trying to get in behind. Sometimes them try them because so many times they play such a high line. Then try to use the long ball to go over the top to get in behind faster than the norm. But our defense was solid. Our right back is extremely good. Really like him play. When we make the changes, one of the good things that when we make the changes, the quality never necessarily drop. Right through the game, we maintain one specific intensity. It was a good look. So it was a good performance overall. From the youngsters. Now we advance to the knockout stages. Gonna see who's our next opponent. I didn't get that as yet. The 2 goals today was scored by. Let me put in that good information. Then you might want that. Davian Clark and Corlando Morris. Corlando Morris actually a good striker. Those are the goal scorers. So it was a good showing from the youngsters. I have to say, I really enjoyed what I see from all 3 games so far. Look well competent. Never get to watch along for the previous 2 games because me did at work. So today the only day I'm available and me they will even reach late. So the watch along even start late as well. So other than that, good. So the next game them I play is tomorrow. But me on the whole them I work it out now because from them I play at a real high intensity. Them I play at a really high intensity from Saturday until now. A very, very high intensity. So let me see if they can cope tomorrow. We'll see how we advance to the next round. We have some physical players, some really big physical players. So maybe that's one of the advantages that we have. So that rest and recovery can work. I don't think much training going to go on just strictly rest and recovery. Ice bath, more than likely I'm going to do some ice bath to really get the team going. And I think that's gonna get them in the right position for the next game. So it's a good look. It's a good look, I have to say. Overall, good matchup versus Trinidad. I thought that the Trinidad game, I really thought that Trinidad would actually give us a lot more problems. But overall, it was a more dominant, real dominant display from the youngsters, I have to say. And it's looking good. But I could see how tomorrow game going on. I could see who they want to play tomorrow. I will touch on that again. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. All right. God bless. Boom.